Let's learn colors. Blue, red, yellow, green, pink, orange, purple, brown, black, white. Blue, red, yellow, green, pink, orange, purple, brown, black, white.
What colors can you find around you?
Blue, 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 find something blue. What did you find? I found a shoe. Red, 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 find something red. What did you find? I found my bed. Yellow, 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 find something yellow. What did you find? I found a marshmallow. Green, 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 find something green. What did you find? I found a bean. Pink, 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 find something pink. What did you find? I found some ink. Orange, 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 find something orange. What did you find? I found an orange. Purple, 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 find something purple. What did you find? I found a circle. Brown, 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 find something brown. What did you find? I found a crown. Black, 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 find something black. What did you find? I found a backpack. White, orange, white, find something white. What did you find? I found a kite.
What colors did you find? Thanks for watching.